Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Just rounded the corner on 3,000 subscribers. Just want to say thanks to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, has joined me along this project, and will join me in future projects. Still working on this guy. I'm not quite sure the end date on it. I'd like to have it done quicker than my plans are, but that's not going to happen. So, got this guy going. When this is done, I'm probably going to pick up one for my son, work on that, get it built up for him so when he starts driving, it'll be ready to go and he'll have some respect for cars and know how to work on them. You know, change the oil, rotate tires, tune it, and the whole 9 yards. So anyways, again guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on Off Axis Builds. Thank you to all my followers, and thank you for following me on this build behind me and any other small projects that I've been doing. So basically lately I've been trying to get more content out. Mondays are basically, I'm trying to do Monday meetups. And that's going to be answering any questions that come through my comment section throughout the week or month or whatever. So there may be a Monday video every week. There may be a video every other week, depending on how many questions I get. Fridays are going to start doing some DIY Fridays. Basically, that's going to be any other car repair that comes up in the family, whether it's my brother's car, my wife's car, or any other small projects that are coming up, like, you know, washing machine or fixing a door or deck. So those projects are going to be pushed back to Fridays. My VW videos are going to be all on Wednesdays, and all my videos will be posted at 8 o'clock in the morning, so you guys can always check them out then. Remember to always like, comment, subscribe on any of my videos, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications of the next video. Really would help me out. But anyways, I just mainly want to say thank you to all you guys for following me and sticking with this channel. I do have some new merchandise coming out. Basically, I put together some sweatshirts, some short sleeve shirts, long sleeves, and a few other small tank tops and things like that. So check that out. Hats and beanies, I'm working on those to get posted as well. But there'll be a link down below for those for the merchandise. So check that out. Remember guys to always like, comment, subscribe. Remember, it's always built, not bought. Alright guys, thank you.